Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 you little heifer.
Good.
There you go.
Dad, can you roll me a cigarette?
Your mom had her like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I came over just to visit. And she's eaten so much better than even just 3 weeks ago because she was like spitting it out every time she'd take a bite. My mouth wide open.
Is it good? Is it good? Is it good?
I know. You talk to me. Huh? Yeah, she's like, I ain't talking to you. You're talking to my daddy.
You just talking away, talking
Right.
up a storm.
Give me a little pudding, a little sugar. Mmm. That's good stuff.
Is it good?
Right, I'm gonna send you back to your mama wired.
Right?
She's gonna be up all night.
Look, just be like, what the hell? Her babysitter,
Oh,
we used to go to church with.
yeah?
Yeah. I know her babysitter.
Really?
They're really good people. We used to go to church with them. They went to our old church. No, the blonde lady, with the daughter that was, now she's graduating high school this year. Yeah.
Wow.
They babysat Emma or Jameson, one of them, for us once.
Is it good?
It made me happy to see that, because it's always nice to know, like, when people have to go to a daycare situation, that it's, you know what I'm saying?
That is good, people.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Not on your
All right,
little
all right.
dress. Come here.
Hi, baby. Did you have enough to eat? Yeah.